Hello guys, TAFHD here and welcome back to another video. And today I will be doing an unboxing and setup of this. This is the Seagate Backup Plus Hub. In particular, this is a 4TB one. You can get it in a 6, 8 and a 10TB model as well. Not too sure if there's a 12TB, there might be, although I do not know. Now, you may have already seen on my channel a couple of years ago that I've already done this video. I already have one of these drives, as you can see. There it is, but now I need another one, so I've decided to buy another one. I thought today I would recreate the unboxing and setup because I'm using a better camera and I think I'll just be able to do a better job of the video in the current day compared to what I managed to do 3 years ago. Now, before I get on with this, I just want to say that I am ill. That's why I sound even worse than usual. Nothing too bad, but it's meant that I haven't been able to record for about a week, so I am behind on videos, so that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And also, there's paint all over my hands again, but anyway, let's just get on with this. There's a picture of the device on the front, and it says up here that we get data recovery services included. Also, we get a 4-month membership of Adobe Creative Cloud Photography. I'm not really interested in any of that. There is some of the features of this device on the back. You can use it between Windows and Mac, and yeah, back up your computer with included software. I'm not going to use that. I will be using this on my Mac with Carbon Copy Cloner, but that's not the subject of today's video. And that is pretty much all there is to see on here. So I've already cut the tape, so let's just open this thing up. Alright, opening this up, I think I remember last time that it kind of just fell out of the box, so I'm going to try and do this carefully. Yeah, there we are. When you pull that top bit of the cardboard off, the whole thing just kind of comes out. It's not the best packaging, to be honest, but it is what it is. So here we get the hard drive itself. It's inside a plastic bag. I'll just move that off to the side. We also get the rescue data recovery information here. That might come in handy in case the drive fails, but for now, hopefully we won't need that. We also get the quick start guide. Hopefully we won't need this. It's a pretty simple setup, so I'll put that off to the side. And also here is our 4-month plan for Creative Cloud Photography. I'm not really interested in that. For only 4 months, I'm not going to bother. Now, underneath this cardboard, we should get our cables. So the power cable and the USB cable. Now, this really is an awkward box. I don't particularly like it. I think they could have done a better job. And yeah, as you can see down there, we do our cables in a little cardboard box, if I can get that out. There we go. I just tipped the box upside down and it fell out. So let's now open up this little cardboard thing, and inside here we get our USB cable. This is just a standard USB 3 cable. Of course, type A goes into your computer, the other end goes into the drive. It's about a 1.5 meter, maybe 2 meter cable, I would say. Then in here, in this plastic, we get the power cable. So let's open this. So we get 2 different options for the plugs. Of course, I'm going to use the UK one. So I'm going to slide off that cover, and then I can just slide on the UK plug. So here is the plug that I'm going to slide on. Just line it up, push down, and it clicks in, and now that plug is ready to go. So here is the drive inside of its plastic. I'm now going to take that out, and there is plastic covering up the entirety of the drive just to protect it from scratches. I actually never took the plastic off my original one, and I think that I will leave it on this one also just for now. And that's pretty much all there is to see. On the front there's 2 USB ports, so you can charge your phone and something else on the front if you want. Seagate logo there, that does flash and do different lighting up things. On the back, power and USB. On the bottom there's some more information if you want to look at that, but yeah, there's nothing really else to see. So now all you have to do is plug in the power, plug in the USB cable, and turn on your computer. Now, if you're using this on Windows, you just plug it in and it should work straight away. There is some Seagate software already on this thing and it will show you how to set it up and do everything like that. But if you're using this on a Mac, they tell you to go to the Seagate website and download the Paragon driver that lets you natively use this hard drive with macOS without having to reformat it, and by doing that it means you can use it on both Windows and macOS whenever you like without needing to reformat it and lose all your data. So if you're using it on Mac, make sure you go to seagate.com/paragon and download the software on there. Because I've already got one of these drives, I've already got that piece of software, so I'll join you once the computer is on. Okay, there is the drive in the bottom of the frame. Here is the USB. Let's now plug that into my computer. Remember, this is macOS, so we will need that piece of software. The drive is now coming on. As you can see, the light is on. And because I already have the piece of software installed, I can go up and click on it. And there we go. Here under NTFS volumes is Seagate Backup Plus drive. There it is. It's recognised. And now it is showing up on the desktop as Seagate Backup Plus drive. Now, if we open that, as you can see, there are a few things in here. We've got Start Here Mac, Start Here Windows, and a warranty PDF. Because we're on Mac, let's now click that, and this is the product registration. So it's just going to load up here, and then the product should get registered. Here we are now on the Seagate website, and this is where we can register. So you need to put in your name and email address, and then agree to these different things. So I will now do that. There we are. Let's now agree to the terms and conditions and privacy statement, and let's click register. There we go. Configure your drive. This drive is set up to work with Windows PCs. Click download to install software, which will let your Mac work with drives formatted for Windows. That's what we have already installed, so let's just... So to skip that, because we've already downloaded it, you've got to click download, then just cancel it, and then click on next. We could download Toolkit, which could help us protect our data. If you'd like that, you can get that. I don't, so let's click next, and that is now it. So we are now all set up and registered. So let's close out of our browser, and there we are. This is now our hard drive ready to use. Now, usually what I do is just create a new folder. I just call the new folder Seagate Software, and then I will just drag those things in. I don't tend to delete them, I just keep them in their own separate folder just over there in case I ever want to go back to them. And now I've done that, this drive is ready to use. So there we are. This drive is now ready and set up to be used on my computer. I've already got one of these. I've had it maybe 3 years now, and I'm very happy with it, and that's why I've bought another. I've had no reliability problems with it, and it's always performed very well for me. It's now nearly full, so it's about time I got a second one. So that is this drive. So hopefully this one will be able to perform just as well for me and store all of my crucial data. Of course, you should also be doing backups just to make sure that your data is always protected. I will be doing backups too, but it's nice to know that I've got a nice reliable drive here. Of course, this one might have issues that the other one didn't have, so before I trust it fully and put all my data on it, it's good just to get to know it a little bit to make sure it's not just going to instantly die or something like that. So if you're copying anything over to it, make sure you've got another copy of it elsewhere, just in case something bad does happen during the transfer. So I think that that will pretty much be it for this video. I have successfully set up this drive, and so far it looks to be working just fine. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully it was interesting in some way, and please do leave a like if this did help you out. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.